please subscribe. It's totally free and it really helps the channel grow. So today I had a really awesome idea. I'm going to take 50 bucks. We're going to get on Craigslist, see if we can buy something that's going to help us make $200-300 today. So let's get to it. Alright guys, hey, what's up? So what we're going to do, here's the 50 bucks I told you about. It's the back of my SUV. I found a hedge trimmer on Craigslist for 40 bucks. That'll leave me $10 for gas. We're going to go around today, see how many jobs we can get with the hedge trimmers, and see how much money we can make in one day. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I just picked up the hedge trimmers. They're Black & Decker. They're older, but they get the job done. I even talked them into throwing in the extension cord. So for 40 bucks, we have everything we need to go make some money today. Plus I had to put 10 bucks in gas. So that's the whole 50 gone. But let's see how much money we can make. Alright guys, so what I did is I went door to door knocking, asking for shrub trimming. At the end of the day, I pulled in 260 bucks. So that means that's a profit of $210 in one day. So you can see if you do this 5 days a week, that could be $1,000 a week income. Not bad for starting the day out with 50 bucks. And if you don't know how to hedge trim bushes or shrubs, there's a lot of YouTube videos out there that can help you do it. Hope you liked the video, guys. Please comment. Let me know if there's any other hustles you'd like to see on the channel. And stay tuned, we got more to come.